Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 31st of August. And first of all, national news. Government official tied to poll by farmers in Bihar over inflated price of fertilizer. India reportedly discussing flood aid as Pakistan minister talks food import. After overnight protested by MLAs, MPs banned in Delhi Assembly Secretariat. Manish Sisodia said, clean chit in PM's probe, CBI found nothing in locker. India lodged 5,439 new COVID-19 cases in last 24 to 36 hours. Active cases down to 65,732. Last year, Delhi police investigated 2,318 cases of crimes against senior citizens. Babri Masjid, 200 years history in Supreme Court's Ganesh Festival hearing. Top officials among 34 hospitalized after gas leak in Uttarakhand. Ghulam Nabi Azad's public meet in Jammu on Sunday, his first after quitting Congress. 32 feet Lord Ganesh idol made from fig trees in Tamil Nadu. Rupees 50,000 penalty for immersing idols in Yamuna, other Delhi water bodies. And now some international news. Half the world's healthcare lacks basic hygiene services, UN report. Europe split on Russian visa ban, says move would be counterproductive. Deadly Pakistan floods could trigger back-breaking food inflation. Millions of people in areas surrounding China's capital were ordered into lockdown Tuesday. New York stores banned sale of whipped cream canisters to anyone under 21. With more than 30 million people affected across Pakistan, the world's fifth most populous nation, helicopters can't find dry spots to land with aid. UN chief appealed for restraint in Iraq amid political unrest. Biden to ask Congress to approve $1.1 billion arms sale to Taiwan. IMF approved release of $1.17 billion bailout fund for Pakistan. Pakistan floods, UN appeal for $160 million aid for worst affected. China's Communist Party set stage to anoint Xi Jinping as great leader. And now some sports news. Experimental India get ready to steamroll Hong Kong in Asia Cup. Harmanpreet Kaur confirmed Jhulan Goswami's retirement after England series, says nobody can fill in her shoes. Japan Open, HS Pranoy advanced to pre-quarter-finals. And now news related to business. Housing prices rose in 42 cities in first quarter, National Housing Bank. House price index rose 3.5% in first quarter, RBI data. Qatar Central Bank issued first license for digital payments. And India can become an upper middle income country by 2047. Vivek Debroy. Rupee recovered sharply to below 79.50 a day after hitting an all-time low. Bank of India files insolvency plea against future lifestyle fashions. Singapore might restrict retail access to cryptocurrencies. Central Bank. Center may invite financial bids for shipping corp sale in March quarter. Economy can touch $20 trillion by 2047, PM's Economic Advisory Council. Sensex Nifty soared over 2.5%, reversing the meltdown in previous session. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 31st of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 37 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 28 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all the news. Thank you to all of you.